Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, samahan nyo kami sa aming journey dito sa 100 Island. Nag-DIY lang kami guys, hindi kami sumali sa mga tour packages. So pagdating dito, meron na kaming nirentahan na transient house. So lalagay ko na lang sa description box kung ano yung na-book namin na transient house. Tapos hindi na rin kami nagdala ng mga pagkain kasi meron namang pagkain na available dito sa Lookout Park. And then, kinabukasan ng umaga, ayan, diretso na dito sa registration area nila. Maayos naman yung ano nila dito, yung rules and regulation nila. So talagang may enjoy nyo yung inyong journey dito. Okay guys, first destination guys is itong Saramon Island. So from here, matatanaw natin yung Pilgrimage Island, which is yung statue ni Jesus Christ. And then sa kabilang side naman is itong yung view deck. So dito muna tayo. Meron din ditong overlooking. Ayan no, ito yung view deck and then yung statue ni Jesus Christ. So maganda rin yung ano dito, yung area. Pwede mag-picture-picture. Marami kami nakuhang picture dito. So, medyo meron lang konting lakad. Pero kayang-kaya naman. Okay guys, ito naman yung sa view deck. So, meron sila ditong 3D floor art. Meron din silang coffee isla or coffee shop, and then yan, museums or souvenir shop, tapos may chapel din. So, after nito guys, doon naman na sa pilgrimage. Okay guys, dalawa yung option. Pwede kayong dumaan through Station of the Cross. Pwede rin namang sa view deck, papuntang view deck. Yun na yung papunta sa statue ni Jesus Christ. So, warning lang guys kasi mataas tong lalakarin, 1,400 plus steps. So, kailangan may dala kayong tubig dito. Pero worth it guys, sobrang ganda pag nasa taas ka na. Kitang-kita mo talaga yung view na sobrang ganda. Okay, next naman is itong Cuenco Cave. So, malapit lang to dun sa Children's Island. Dun sa Children's Island, mababaw lang yun. Tapos, pwede talaga yun sa mga bata. Kaya nga Children's Island. So, hindi na kami nagpunta doon. Dito na lang sa Cuenco Cave. So, malit lang to na cave. Tapos, medyo may mga amoy lang. Kasi, syempre, may paniki dito. Tapos, pagkadating mo sa dulo, breathtaking naman yung view, guys. Sobrang ganda. Kitang-kita mo yung talagang napakaganda talaga ng dagat. Ingat lang doon sa bamboo na lalakaran kasi medyo hindi lang siya masyadong nagalaw kasi siya. Pero sulit naman guys, napakagandang mag-picture-picture.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know.
Okay guys, next naman is itong Quezon Island. So, dito guys, pwede na mag-swimming and dito na rin yung mga water activities. Meron sila ditong zipline, merong kayak, tapos, ayan, mag-snorkeling, pwede na rin dito.
It's getting hard to talk to you.
Okay guys, ito yung list of activities nila and then yung price. So, ang tinry namin dito is yung zip line, 100 pesos. And then, nagkayak din kami. And then, helmet diving. Mamaya, papakita namin sa inyo yung helmet diving.
Turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go. You could take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on, and even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. They're all the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Ito ba, Bo? Tingnan mo, dami isda. Dali. Oh. Oh.
Ilan ba po? Dami. Okay guys, nandito naman na kami sa Macapagal Island. Dito yung helmet diving. Tapos makikita daw dito yung giant clam garden dito. So, ayan, inavail namin. 400 pesos yung bayad, bawat isa. So, napakagandang experience guys. Mare-recommend ko guys na kung pumunta kayo dito sa 100 Island, itry nyo tong mag-helmet diving kasi talagang ang ganda. Makikita mo doon si Nemo, tapos iba yung experience pag nasa ilalim ka na. So, ayan. Dalawa kami ng anak ko. Pero, medyo hindi lang nahirapan na yung anak ko kasi nagkaroon daw ng parang pressure, 'di ba, sa tenga. So, explain naman yun guys, kung paano mawala yung pressure. Kaso nga lang, hindi kinaya ng anak ko. So, kami dalawa na lang ng asawa ko. So, ayan. Makikita nyo guys yung experience namin dito underwater.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you.
Okay guys, we're here at Scout Island. So, as you can see, mas pino yung buhangin dito. Tsaka mas maputi siya kumpara dun sa Quezon Island. Kaso lang, medyo mabato lang dito. So, hindi kami masyadong nagtagal.
Snorkel na ba, Bo? Maraming tayong isda.
Hindi ako makasisi dahil dami ba to?
Ah, daming bato. Tara, lipat na tayo. Lipat na tayo. Marami ng bato. Sabi ni Mang Imar.
I can't stay if you can't let
Okay guys, welcome. We're here at Marcos Island. So from here, makikita yung Imelda Cave. Pwedeng mag-cliff jumping doon. So mamaya papakita namin sa inyo yung itsura ng Imelda Cave. And then maganda yung buhangin din dito, pino. At shallow water lang. So pwede yung mga bata mag-swimming dito. And then meron din ditong mga isda sa bandang part na mga mababato. So pwedeng mag-snorkeling doon.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening?
Okay guys, papunta na tayo sa Imelda Cave. So, no life vest, no jumping. So, hindi na ako tatalon dun kasi natatakot ako. Hindi kasi ako marunong lumangoy. So, ayan, tingnan na lang natin kung ano yung meron.
Again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure. But one day I'll be yours again.
Okay guys, we're here at Governor's Island. So, ito na yung last na destination natin. So, meron din ditong zip line na mas mataas to kaysa dun sa kanina na na-try ko. So, ayan. Maganda rin dito yung view. Medyo mabato lang. Mabato lang yung yung dagat dito. Pero meron ditong, ayan, lalakarin. Tapos, ayan, makikita mo yung ibang area. So, maganda lang dito, pang picture-picture lang. Yung mga information pala guys, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box, yung mga hindi ko nasabi. Doon ko ilalagay yung mga detailed na mga information mula sa kung saan kami book ng transient house, kung ano yung mga dapat yung gawin and dalhin, at mga ibang mga tips. So, salamat sa panonood guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming journey dito sa Haunted Island. Bye!
I can't believe it's true. I'm just